We know all services start with a thorough consultation. Often, when clients see their first grays, they're hesitant to commit to permanent hair color and want to avoid that line of demarcation. Now with SuperSync, we have the perfect alternative option. Discuss their areas of concern and formulate accordingly. Before starting a color service on tight curls and coils, spray Instacure on mid-lengths and ends and gently detangle using a wide-tooth comb. Follow with the blow dryer and comb attachment. Dry the ends first, then the mid-lengths, and then the roots. On to the Bye-Bye Gray application. The model had a large gray streak in the front area. A triangle section was used to isolate this area. The new SuperSync 3NN with 10 volume was used at the roots and 5NN with 10 volume mid-lengths through ends. You'll notice mesh paper and clips are used to separate the remaining hair. The rest of the hair will have a different formula. Moving on to the back and sides. Apply 3N with 10 volume to the roots first, then apply 5M with 10 volume on mid-lengths and ends. Remember, very curly and coily hair use a lot of product, so plan accordingly. After 20 minutes of processing with no heat, shampoo and condition the hair. Look at that beautiful coverage and shine. Gorgeous with so much dimension. Now use the Food for Soft oil to add nourishment and definition. Always remember, suggest a home care routine, styling products, and pro tips to achieve their look. And pre-book their next appointment.